Sandeep Ranade spills the beans on how AI is transforming the music industry like never before.
ना करो ना करो और चोर करे जोर शोर सदा
Can you imagine what it would be like to play music on a dozen instruments using artificial intelligence? NaadSadhana, an app with a soul, listens to your song and helps you record, mix, and publish studio-quality music super fast. Sandeep Ranade, the creator of NaadSadhana, recounts the first time he achieved his milestone success when AI matched the same level of excellence that a group of musicians would have.
Just before the first lockdown, this was in March of 2020. Like many others, I was also feeling depressed. I'm a software engineer and a singer. I'm a geek gayak. So how could I help? I desperately wanted to, find some optimism in the situation. And in that moment, a new song was created. Na Karo Na Karo. This was in Rag Basant. I sang it. NaadSadhana played 10 instruments with me in real time. I also recorded the song using the app. And then I put it up on YouTube and also sent it to a handful of people over WhatsApp. Now, this was a composition with geeky puns and humor and also hope. And it was about a virus. And then it went viral. And some of the greatest musicians of our time appreciated the song, the lyrics, the music, the singing. I got a call from my Guruji, late Padma Vibhushan Sangeet Martand Pandit Jasraj ji, and he said, कम से कम 300 लोगों ने तुम्हारा गाना मुझे भेजा है. At least 300 people have sent me your song. And he said, बसंत में बाहर लाई. And that just, it was so wonderful to hear from him. And then the one and only A.R. Rahman shared my song to his 7 million Instagram followers. And so many composers and musicians and artists and actors and dancers and technologists appreciated it. But here is the interesting bit. They assumed that I was being accompanied by musicians, by human experts, and not by software. So NaadSadhana had reached its first big milestone. It had passed the musical Turing test. And there is still a long, long way to go, and I have an infinite amount of work ahead of me.
Could music composed by AI put human musicians out of the job? The debate is unending, and it won't be long before composers rely on the capabilities of machines to produce electronically generated rhythms. But can artificial intelligence ever feel and express what humans feel?
Artificial intelligence cannot replace musicians. AI is a tool, and it helps in situations where expert musicians are not available. It is like a flight simulator than, say, self-driving cars. NaadSadhana uses artificial intelligence in many different ways, and all of them are novel and home-invented solutions. The tuner uses AI to isolate music from other non-musical sounds, to improve accuracy, especially in noisy environments. There are several AI modules to analyze music, the emotion, the energy, modality, emphasis, and 30 other parameters. And with all of this AI and technology, I want every practice session to be delightful, to unlock creativity and deeper joy, and help musicians not only to continuously push the envelope, but also be healthier and happier.
Want to know how AI can supercharge your industry? Unlock the secrets with our distinguished guests on the Findability Speak series.